Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel TNV Academy. Many companies fail their ISO 28000 audits not because they lack processes, but because they misunderstand the standard. ISO 28000 is not just a checklist or paperwork. It is a supply chain security management system designed to protect goods, information, and operations across the entire supply chain. In this video, we will explore common mistakes organizations make during implementation and certification and show how to avoid them to build a truly resilient supply chain. Misunderstanding ISO 28000. A major mistake is treating ISO 28000 as just another transport or logistics safety standard. Many organizations copy templates from other ISO standards like ISO 9001 or ISO 14001 without customizing them for supply chain security. ISO 28000 focuses on end-to-end security, including risk identification, threat management, operational control, and stakeholder assurance. Without fully understanding its scope, organizations often fail to address real supply chain vulnerabilities. Weak risk assessment and context analysis. ISO 28000 starts with context and risk, yet many companies perform generic risk assessments or ignore external threats such as geopolitical risk, supplier fraud, or cyber attacks. Often only one department is involved, and risk evaluation is performed once a year, leaving critical gaps. A correct approach involves dynamic risk assessment workshops, engaging multiple departments, using tools like SWOT, PESLE, and FMEA, and updating the risk register continuously to reflect real-world changes. Poor leadership commitment. Leadership commitment is crucial. Many companies delegate responsibility entirely to compliance teams without allocating budget, defining KPIs, or reviewing performance. ISO 28000 requires top management to own the vision of supply chain security, define measurable objectives, conduct management reviews, and communicate the importance of security throughout the organization. Without this, the system becomes a box-ticking exercise rather than a strategic initiative. Ineffective operational controls. Companies often implement controls that exist only on paper. CCTV cameras may be installed but not monitored, access logs may be maintained but never reviewed, and incident response plans are rarely tested. ISO 28000 requires layered operational controls, physical, procedural, digital, and personnel-based, with regular testing through drills or simulations to ensure real-world effectiveness. Incomplete documentation and record control. Documentation is essential, but overloading with irrelevant documents or missing key policies leads to audit failure. Common mistakes include missing the supply chain security policy, risk treatment plans, or incident response procedures, and poor version control. The correct approach is to maintain a structured hierarchy. Policies, that is intent, procedures, that is how, and records, that is proof, with traceability and accountability for each document. Ignoring supplier security management. A supply chain is only as strong as its weakest link. Companies often fail to assess supplier security competence, include contractual security clauses, or monitor third-party logistics providers. ISO 28000 emphasizes shared responsibility. Organizations should develop a supplier evaluation program, include suppliers in risk assessments, and share awareness and incident reporting mechanisms with them. Now, neglecting performance evaluation. Performance evaluation is a pulse check of the system. Many companies conduct internal audits only before certification, ignore KPIs, and fail to consider feedback from customers and partners. ISO 28000 requires quantifiable KPIs such as number of incidents, response times, and supplier compliance scores, along with regular audits and trend analysis to ensure continuous improvement. Now, from compliance to competitive advantage. ISO 28000 is more than a certificate. It is a strategic tool that strengthens supply chain security, reduces losses, ensures legal compliance, and builds trust with clients and regulators. Avoiding these common mistakes allows organizations to transform compliance into a competitive advantage, ensuring resilience, reliability, and confidence across the supply chain. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe to TNV Academy for more ISO insights. Comment below with your biggest challenge in ISO 28000 implementation, and we will cover real-life solutions in the next video. Remember, your supply chain security is your company's survival. Thanks for watching, and I, Akanksha Mishra, will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy.